Don't lick me. Ugh. How did your ass grow longer? Why? Look at me, making my daddy proud. Almost bearable. Actually, kinda cute. Don't stop now, let's dance. My birthday present. Let's not go there. Can you show me another move? Really? Who is Miss Happiness? No, you're talking about me. I'm 10. I get accepted now. It's always work. You're just like my dad. I have it in good authority. He's always late. Actually, I prefer Wole Soyinka. The monster! You have to run. And you call me an ajibota. My turn. Watch me become a master tennis player. He's talking about this unbelievable place. We have to go there someday so I can learn for myself. Hey, you get to Orlando, I'm gonna get all my favorite villains to sign my magazine. Oh, Kevin, you don't want to